Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding, changing, or modifying your YouTube channel art with the correct banner size in YouTube. So the correct or recommended channel art image dimensions is 2560 pixels by 1440 pixels with a 16:9 aspect ratio. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up YouTube Studio. You want to select the Customization tab on the left side. And then you want to select the Profile tab up at the top. Underneath Banner Image, you can see for the best results on all devices, use an image that's at least 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 megabytes in size or less. And then you would select the change button and you would locate the file on your computer and then you would upload it here and then it would update it on your channel page. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.